All right. As you can see, brought the good old HOBAO. HOBAO. Shout out to Stuart Scott, man. Kit version, man. You make it to how you want to make it. Right now, I got it on my street shit. Got it with the bitty design wing on it. And usually, you know, I have this on my buggy tires, you know, which are a taller diameter. They have better grip. I have buggy tires for the street too that will actually have better grip than these. So I don't think this is gonna be as fast as it usually is. Plus, look at those motherfucking wheels. It just looks cool. Without further ado, let's go and get this thing going. Let's see how this handles. This is my first time running this on Hoons. You can't go wrong. I found out if something makes you feel young, do it. All right, y'all have a good one. See y'all, it's not gripping, y'all. This 6S, man. For those of y'all that put Hoons on like 6S Typhons, I don't know how y'all do it, man, because it's not gripping, man. It has all this power from the castle system. I have a castle in here, and it has all this power, but it can't put down the power. This shit just slides out. Like, it's sliding, y'all. Which is cool, but it's not cool, goddamn. I don't think that this HOBAO, I don't think that this HOBAO with the castle system that has a KV out of this world is gonna be able to beat as far as speed, man, and handling the Typhon. Check my other video, you'll see that Typhon. Let's compare the two. I'm gonna do the same shit. You hear that steel spur gear. Of course, it's not nearly as quiet as the other one. Let's try to handle it. I can literally hear the tires sliding, y'all. They're pulling against the shocks, man. It's pulling too much on this shit. I don't like it. I'd rather have buggies on buggy tires. See, I can't hit that. See that wide ass turn? Y'all just see that wide ass turn? Man, this is a Savox servo, y'all. This is a 1258. That wide ass turn shouldn't be happening, y'all. So that's these Hoons. It looks cool though. It sits low. I have the shocks right where I want them, y'all. Watch how the forward lean is when I brake. See? And it doesn't rub. See, that's what you want. You don't want that front part, that front bulkhead right underneath the shocks. You don't want that shit hitting the ground when you brake. So I have that perfect. The back doesn't squat too much when I accelerate. When you're accelerating in RCs or in any car, as you know, the back of the car is gonna squat, it's gonna sit. So you don't want the car to sit so much in the back. You want it to be stiff in the back, so where it can take off with not a lot of extra movement in the back. You see, it doesn't move at all in the back, and the front doesn't touch. But those tires don't grip, goddamn. All right, y'all, compare this burnout, compare this acceleration to the Typhon on my other video. Watch. You see that spin? Yep, it's sliding, y'all, and I feel like I'm gonna damage my differential with this shit, man, because of the sliding, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, the sliding made, you know, fuck up the timing on the differential. So I'm lightweight scared of that shit. So I think I'm always gonna run this on buggy tires, man. This was fun while it lasted, but shit, for a buggy to be at its true potential, a high-powered buggy, you're gonna need the real diameter. Holla at your boy.